So if you're seeing this video and you're from Jamaica or you're from anywhere in the Caribbean, you know, you need to show this video to your government officials and show them what a public beach should look like. I know, like in Jamaica and a few other places in the Caribbean, you know, there's a fight between the government and people because the government is selling off all the beachfront properties to all-inclusive resort and not leaving anything for locals. This is what a public beach should look like. I've never seen a public beach this beautiful, apart from Cuba. Like, I've been to Cuba and I've seen where they reserve the public beach for the locals, and it looks similar to this, but this is what the Caribbean need. You know, we can't have people traveling from all over the world going to the Caribbean enjoying the beach and locals don't have the ability to enjoy the same. So please show this to your government. Oh my gosh, look at those lizards. Wow, look at that. These are the most disciplined lizards I've ever seen. They're walking among patrons at the beach and they're not attacking anyone or anything. That's cool. Wow, look at that. I think this is the biggest. So by far, this is the best public beach I've ever seen. Like, I've been to a lot of places with a lot of beautiful beaches, Bermuda, Cuba, Bahamas, Dominican Republic, a lot of places, but this by far is the best public beach I've ever seen. You know, they have it's extremely clean. They have garbage recycling like everywhere, so there's no need for you to drink or eat and throw something on the beach. They have a first aid area, which I've never seen at a public beach before. You know, like if you get injured in the water or anything, they have an area that you can go. They have like a Wi-Fi hotspot. They have security, police patrolling everywhere. Yeah, like the infrastructure, like they have a play area, they have a slide, wooden slide, they have a wooden swing. Like, this is, wow, by far the best beach I've ever seen. And I believe that governments in the Caribbean take note, because it's so sad that like people in all over the Caribbean are not able to enjoy the beautiful facilities in their country, and people can come from all over the world and enjoy the beautiful beaches and the sand and the sun on the resorts, and you know, locals cannot don't have access to those beaches. So please take note, government official in the Caribbean, stop selling off the beaches so people can enjoy paradise because you know, you're coming to paradise and the people that live in paradise can't enjoy it. So take note. I've never seen this before. Tell me if you've ever seen this, like public beach Wi-Fi. I know Wi-Fi is like water. It's like air. So come to the beach, you don't have to worry. We got it covered. See? Hotspot. Wi-Fi.
There's a whole set of there. I never seen
Again, this is important. Recycle, recycle, recycle. Garbage, garbage, and trash. Accessibility. I'm not sure if this is, you know, anywhere else in the Caribbean or anywhere in the Caribbean, but this is very important. You know, accessibility to wheelchair. We see like they have a ramp going down close to the beach. So yeah, these stuff are very important. Everyone can access the beach. I've never seen before. See, they have like a first aid room for anyone that, you know, receive any injury on the beach. They have a first aid area where you can get attention. This is cool, very cool. One of the things that I'm most impressed with is that, you know, we realize that the hotel that we're staying is that at least 75% of the guests that's in the hotel, they're like locals. And as someone that's been in the hospitality industry for like over 20 years, you know, a lot of people, a lot of locals, like especially in the Caribbean, cannot even afford to use these facilities that's in their own country and these facilities that they're working at and stuff like that. So to see a lot of locals, you know, a lot of Mexicans from all over the country, you know, coming to Cancun to enjoy the facility was, you know, a breath of fresh air to see that. And we realized that there are also people from Belize. You know, Belize is bordering Mexico, and even people from Guatemala. So it's good to see that, you know, locals can enjoy paradise, because, you know, sometimes only people from Europe, North America can fly in and enjoy these beautiful beaches and sun and just the nature, and people that live in these places don't have access to some of these beaches and cannot even afford to stay at some of these resorts. So, you know, that's one of the things that made this trip like one of my best trips ever. Like, we have been to quite a few places and it was really good to see this. So kudos to the Mexicans.
Fíjate, estamos acá.